Today is 17th of January 2022, and I'm 3D printing my first intake manifold prototype. It's the more or less equivalent of the stock manifold, but with a bit different geometry. Inside diameter of runners would be the same as the diameter of the stock carburetor, so 35 millimeters. What else? Also, I have made, so the runners are a little bit shorter than in the original model. So in the stock manifold runners are a bit longer, so my are a bit shorter. Also, I've made these small, I don't know how to call them better, flow directioners for the reed valves. So these two pieces will straight the airflow to the reed valves. So they would be actually mounted inside of this cage. And intake manifold is here. I have made this model just for tests because later I'm planning to buy SBN44 or SBN46 carburetor, and I will already have a ready model which will be easy to update, just to change few dimensions, and 7 hours of printing and that's done. I will make my review. I will make review about all the tests. As minimum, for me, it's interesting to know how 3D printed parts made of PLA plastic will work. I think it should be okay, but we'll see. So yeah, I think it should be nice in the end. I like this airflow directioning things. They are looking really cool. So please like and subscribe if you want to see more two-stroke videos. I hope you want. Stay tuned and stay safe. Bye. Today is 19th of January 2022. Very morning, I'm just opening my workshop. And I'm super curious to see the result of 3D printing of intake manifold for Kawasaki 650 SX. So you will see it just right now with me. I hope everything was okay. Super interesting moment. Yeah, it's looking really nice. It's really looking super nice. I want to make some videos from my phone. So the result is looking as minimum very nice. Let's take it out from the table. I like it. I really like it. So later on I'll make a video of mounting it on the jet ski and first engine start with the new intake manifold. I hope to make first tests on water today in the evening, but I'm not sure because I will need someone to help me to put the intake down on the water, or to put the jet ski down on the water.